Stop, you only get one round. I do deep now.
Yeah, you want to do that now? Okay.
Alright, now it's your turn.
No. I'm going to do it.
Well, the judge is going to hold the camera because it's your turn now.
No, I want to do it.
He's going to run the camera while you do it.
You have to be very straight.
Yeah, do very straight. Do very straight. Here, maybe I have to put on here. Let's.
Maybe coming. Okay. There we go. Very quiet, Joey.
Wow, he went by fast, didn't he?
Yeah.
Right. Now it's your turn, Steve.
No.
Steven, we take turns. We take.
Wow.
Now it will be coming this way.
Here he comes.
Did you hear how loud that siren was?
Yeah.
All right.
Chứ ngồi tay.
One more truck, then it's off to the oldies.
Thôi ít chiều. What? Okay, now you to do it.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Look,
Now we're down to the oldies.
there's Jaja and Steven. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we are. Jaja and Steven.
What going?
You got boogers coming out.
What?
You got boogers coming out of your nose.
You know it's fear. I hope my mommy and daddy do. Hope mommy doing decent soon. Hey, Jaja.
What happened
Hope
to your
my
finger?
mommy.
What happened to your finger?
Jaja! I bite it.
You bit your finger?
Yeah, I bit my finger.
Ew, that was weird.
Jaja! You
Oh, here comes another truck.
And mommy's here. And mommy's here.
How big is Steven? So big.
Fire trucks coming out of stations.
Okay,
And mommy doing busy now.
pretty soon.
What play Hubby L? By Wink. Yeah, what play Wink?
Wait a second.
Aubrey Hubby.
What?
I want you to tell Aubrey Hubby. Oh, did I tell you Hubby? What? You won't play Rolling Queen.
After a few more fire trucks.
Yep, we open it. Yay! Alright, jump. There you go.
We can do our wooden trains now.
Okay. Oh, you can't use teeth or eyes for a children's trap. Oh, you see it. Holly.